Hey guys, my name is Fred, and today I'm going to show you the most powerful AI video generator I've ever used in my entire content creation journey. Before I explain anything, just if you click the Flova link in the description, you'll instantly get 1,000 credits. 500 now and 500 more just for showing up. Every week you can claim 500 more credits just by logging in. And if you invite up to 4 friends, you'll earn 300 credits for each one who joins. So don't wait, join Flova now and start creating cinematic AI videos with powerful tools and zero editing stress. Let's get started. What you're seeing right now was not edited manually. There was no complex timeline work, and there was no endless prompt tweaking. This entire cinematic sequence, including the consistent character, smooth camera movements, frame-to-frame continuity, and film-level visual quality, was created using just one single AI platform called Flova AI. What truly makes Flova different from every other AI video generator is that it doesn't behave like a random output machine. Instead, it works like a professional AI video assistant that understands filmmaking. On the screen, you can see the complete workflow where this video is actually created: the storyboard, shot planning, continuity control, and even the AI chat, where I collaborated step by step with the assistant to shape this video exactly the way I imagined. Before we begin, this is AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss any of our powerful AI tutorials. So let's get started. I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Flova AI yourself. Open your Chrome browser and type Flova AI, or simply click the link in the description, which will take you directly to the website. The first thing you need to do is sign up if you don't have an account, or log in if you already have one. When you visit the website, this is what the homepage looks like. Flova AI. Everyone can be a director with Flow. The first thing you're going to see here is your prompt box, where you can ask Flova to create anything, any idea that you have. This is where you'll add your prompt. Below it, you're going to see a plus sign. You can upload an image, audio, or a text document. Beside it is where you can choose your models, and there are plenty of them. For images, you have Nano Banana Pro Cream 4.0, Nano Banana Gemini 2.5, Flash M Johnny GPT Image Run, and many more. For video, you have VO 3.1 Fast, Sora 22.5, Sid Danskling 2.5. For music, you have Suno 11 Labs. For narration, you also have 11 Labs Duba. So your favorite models are all here. The choice is yours. Beside that again, you're going to see skills, where you'll find 2 powerful skills you can use on Flova AI. Sora 2 Rich Multi-Shot. When you hover your cursor over it, you'll see an example of the type of cinematic video you can create using this skill. Tail-to-head frame connection. This makes the last frame of the previous shot become the first frame of the next shot. And as you can see, the sample video is displayed right beside it. When you scroll down, you're going to see some of the beautiful videos created using Flova AI, and they are truly impressive. Now let's dive into how this platform works, what it can do, and the steps you can take to create your own cinematic magic right here inside Flova AI without needing any other tool. In fact, this was my very first prompt to the AI assistant. A cinematic story about elite soldiers navigating a hostile jungle at dusk, armed and alert as tension rises with every step. Their mission is secret, their resolve unbreakable, and the forest hides more than just shadows. From that single idea, Flova handled everything: the story structure, shot design, visual consistency, and cinematic flow. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Flova uses skills with Sora 2 and VO 3 to create multi-shot cinematic sequences, maintain perfect frame-to-frame continuity, and completely eliminate the usual AI randomness. You'll see how Flova turns a simple idea into a professional short film from story to final cut, all inside one platform, without complex editing and without treating AI video creation like a gamble. Once you click the link in the description and create your account, you'll land directly on the Flova dashboard. And right in the center of the screen, you'll see this prompt bar, where you can describe any scene or idea you imagine. Just below that, you can see your recent projects, and also some sample projects created with Flova. Flova lets me just talk, and it turns my ideas into video, which is incredibly helpful for inspiration and understanding what's possible. Now let's start with our first cinematic example. For this one, I'm going to paste my prompt exactly like this. As I paste the prompt here, pay close attention because this will help you understand how detailed a good prompt should be. First, I wrote a cinematic motivational story about elite soldiers navigating a hostile jungle. Then I clearly described what happens in the story. A cinematic story about elite soldiers navigating a hostile jungle at dusk, armed and alert, as tension rises with every step. Their mission is secret, their resolve unbreakable, and the forest hides more than just shadows. Below that, I added the style and technical details such as cinematic realism, an inspirational and emotional mood, camera techniques like slow motion, close-ups, smooth transitions, and ultra-realistic quality. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your output will be. After pasting the prompt, I select the video model. Since we're creating a cinematic video, I choose the video option. Next, I select the skills. Here I'm choosing Sora 2 Rich Multi-Shot Playthrough, which allows multiple 8 to 12-second shots with natural camera cuts and smooth continuity. Once everything is selected, I hit Generate. And now you can see that Flova has started processing, and the AI assistant is handling all the work. First, it creates a creative brief that breaks down the story and mood. Then it generates a storyboard so you can visually understand how each scene will look. You can also see the visual generation path, showing how the AI plans to build the video step by step. Now Flova starts generating the visual assets, and on the screen you can see the cinematic jungle soldier scenes being created exactly based on the prompt. At this point, I go to the AI assistant chat and write, "Design the opening frames for all shots." The assistant generates the opening frames for all 5 shots using Nano Banana Pro, and you can see these images appearing in real time. Once the images are ready, I go back to the chat and type, "Animate all scenes into video." Then I hit Generate. Now Flova starts converting these scenes into video. After the generation is complete, you'll see the message that all assets are ready. Now I can play each shot to preview the quality, the camera movement, and the smooth transitions. Next I type, "Assemble the preview of the film." Flova automatically adds everything into the timeline, scene by scene. Finally I type, "Generate the music and perform the final assembly." Flova adds background music and completes the final video. As you can see, just by using text, we've created a complete cinematic video with strong emotions, smooth camera movement, and professional lighting. This shows that Flova isn't just for action scenes. It's also perfect for storytelling, short films, and emotional content. If you want even more control, you can upload reference images, text, or audio, edit the storyboard, refine the prompt, or regenerate scenes. Now that you've seen exactly how we created this video, if this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a comment. This is AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. My name is Fred, and I highly recommend you try Flova.ai yourself using the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.